In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split files into smaller parts using Winrar. This is perfect when you need to share a large file, fit data onto a smaller drive, or upload in chunks to a cloud service. The process is simple, and you don't need to reorganize anything beforehand. Just have your file or folder ready in File Explorer. Start by locating the file or folder you want to split. You can choose a single file, like a video or an installer, or an entire folder if you want everything inside it bundled together. Right-click it to open the context menu. This is where Windows shows you quick actions you can take on the item you selected. From that menu, look for the Winrar options. Click Add to Archive. This opens the main Winrar window where you'll set how the archive is created. If you don't immediately see the Winrar entry, you may be using a different context menu layout, or Winrar might not be integrated with the right-click menu. That's fine. Just make sure Winrar is installed and accessible on your system for future use. In the Add to Archive window, stay on the General tab. Near the bottom left, find the field labeled Split to Volume Size. This is the key setting. Here, you decide how large each part should be. You can type a number and then choose a unit from the drop-down, bytes, KB, MB, or GB. For example, if you need parts under 100 megabytes for email limits, type 100 and select MB. If you're targeting a USB formatted with a size limit, you might choose 2 or 4 GB. Keep in mind that smaller parts mean more pieces to manage, while larger parts mean fewer files, but bigger chunks to move or upload. Leave the other settings as they are unless you have a specific reason to change them. Once you've entered your desired size, click OK. Winrar will begin compressing and splitting the archive. You'll see a progress window, and the time it takes will depend on the size of your original data and the speed of your computer. When it finishes, you'll see several files in the same folder as your original. They'll share the same base name with incremental extensions, typically showing part numbers. Keep all these parts together. If you plan to move or upload them, transfer every piece. When you need to extract later, opening the first part allows Winrar to automatically use the rest. And that's it. You've successfully split your file or folder into manageable volumes using Winrar, making sharing and storage much easier.